This is Thomas, Sanha, and Josiah's Rube project. So first off, the phone has GPE. Once we call it, it'll have electromagnetic energy, and which will make the phone fall, which is electromagnetic to kinetic. Then the phone hits the stress ball, which is kinetic to GPE, and the stress ball falls, which is GPE to kinetic. Then hits the drum, which makes a sound, so it'll be kinetic to sound, and it goes up, so it'll be sound to kinetic. And in the air, it'll have GPE, so we kinetic to GPE, and it'll fall, which is GPE to kinetic. It then hits this car and moves the candle, so then the candle, it'll be kinetic to thermal. The string will burn after the candle lights it, which is thermal to kinetic. And the book has GPE, so after the string snaps, the book will fall, which is GPE to kinetic.
Okay, so when the book falls, it'll have kinetic, and then when the toaster's on, it'll have electromagnetic energy, and the electromagnetic energy will turn into thermal, and then the thermal is going to make the balloon expand, and when it pops, it'll have sound energy. Since there's a ball right here, it'll have GP energy. So when the balloon pops, the ball will move, which turn GPE into kinetic. And then when it's right here, it'll have GPE again because it's about to fall. It'll have kinetic, right? It'll hit the eraser, turn on the blow dryer, will have electrical energy. And it'll be electrical to kinetic because it'll move the ball, right? The ball will have GP when it's about to hit the bell. So when it's going to be GP to sound because it's going to hit the bell. It's going to be sound to kinetic again because it's going to roll down. And then when it hits the other ball has GP, so it's going to be kinetic to GPE, and then the ball's going to fall, which is going to be GPE to kinetic.
Go.
Okay, so when the ball rolls down, it'll hit the ruler, which is kinetic to kinetic, and the other end of the ruler will rise up, and the balloon has baking soda in it, and when the baking soda falls, the baking soda will fall into the vinegar, which is kinetic to chemical, and then the chemical reaction will emit gas into the air, or into the balloon, which will be and the balloon will expand, which is chemical to kinetic, and when the balloon rises, this end of the stick will go down because this other side goes up, and that is kinetic to kinetic, I guess, and then that side will cause the ruler to do the same thing as the stick, which will be kinetic to kinetic, and the balloon will go up and release its baking soda into the vinegar, which is kinetic to chemical, and the chemical reaction will make the balloon rise or expand, which is chemical to kinetic, and this wiffle ball, which has GPE, will get hit by the balloon, which is kinetic to kinetic, and when it falls, it will hit the switch. That's in there, which is kinetic to electrical because the switch will turn on the light like that. Okay.
Take number 27.
Okay, go.
He started it. Stop.
Wait, this is tough.
Wait, dude. When the ball rolls down, this practice.
It will hit the ruler.
Record it?